In front of me is Humidigi A3, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first you need to open your settings, then go to System and click on Languages and Input. Now go to Languages, mark Other Language, and from the following list you need to reach the language that you want to apply. So as you can see, we've got loads of languages here, so you will definitely find something suitable. Let me pick, for example, this one, then select the region. Now set it up to first place to make it a default language. And as you can see from now on, the language has been applied, so you can smoothly use your device in chosen language, and then whenever you'd like to go back to previous one or maybe change language one more time, you need to open Languages and Input, go to Languages then, and you can remove unnecessary language by tapping on More, tap on Remove, mark the language that you would like to delete, tap on bin icon and click on OK. And that's it. As you can see, now we are back in English, and if you would like to apply another one, smoothly follow the steps shown previously. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.